going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a market review of July 29th, 2024, New York morning session. Just wanted to review the trades I took and why I took them. So with that being said, let's just jump right into it. So I'm gonna keep it on the 1 minute chart as for now, cause once I go to the 15 minute, it looks a little messy here. But let's go to the daily. Um, Originally, I was anticipating price to hit this fair value gap here, and then I would wait for a bearish reaction inside of it. Um, but as we see, take off this alert. As we see, we did not hit it. Right, like this is the highest this daily candle has went. So we have not hit it. Maybe we hit it later on today, but as far as the trades I took, I wanted it to go up to here, but since I saw displacement on a lower time frame, I took that short entry. So with that being said, go to the hourly. ES did end up hitting this daily fair value gap. Let's take a look right here. It hit it, and then after ES hit it, it did do a displacement to the downside. So this was about, actually no, I'm sorry, this is when ES hit it, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Oh no, so ES hit it at 8:30. 8:30. So right here we had that SMT with this high and the fair value gap. From then, from 8:30, when we were here at 9:30, I did want to long this right here, but I never got filled, and I would have took profit here. I didn't get filled, so I was waiting. Once we displaced here, I took off my limit order for the long, and I just decided to wait. Hopefully we hit this daily gap, daily bearish gap. But we did not end up hitting the bearish daily gap. We took this high, and once the swing low got displaced as hard as it did, it's pretty hard right here, I set a limit on this fair value gap, and my stop was up here. I could have put my stop here, but I need to study more with my stop, because I've gotten swept here and then it will run, but that's why I just put it here. And I just aim for 2R, as long as, price action gives us 2R. It's not like this and 2R. So it was 2R just above the swing low here. So right when I entered, I saw this swing low, and I did set a limit here because this was a lot of movement. This was over 100 points in movement here. So I took one off here, but I did want that 2R, so I tried to wait. When it went back up, and I thought it displaced down, but I was incorrect. Once we inverted this gap, I mean, we barely inverted it, but we inverted it, so I set my stop up here. So it's in profit. 3 of 4 contracts in profit right here. So we went back down, and I was, or I'm sorry, we did that, and then we displaced up, and I got stopped out. Once I got stopped out, I was like, okay, let me just wait. Don't panic, I was in profit. There was no reason to panic. So once we got stopped out, I waited, and I saw this huge displacement. I mean, one candle took this gap, change the state of delivery, and that's when I was like, okay, maybe I could find a move to go down here to finish this market maker model. So as I was looking, we saw this, and on ES I also saw that we have a advanced market structure theory setup here. We have three swing highs in a fair value gap. That when the first one's highest, then the second one, and then the third one sweeps it, we expect a turtle soup. And that's exactly what happened, but we had an SMT right here. So I entered on that turtle soup when ES souped it. Let me see if I could get back to that spot. So right here, ES had souped it on this candle. So I entered and I put my stop up here, and I just aimed for the finish. Where this eyeball is. Well, where the end of this blue is. But the only reason I ended up switching from bullish to bearish was that SMT displacement, and I took my chance here after we swept a lot of liquidity. You know, the 930 Judas was in effect today, and all in all, it ended up going good today. We're up. So I risked 1% here, and then I risked a 0.5% here since I was already in profit. And we ended up making 1.25% today. So we made 700, I was risking 500. But yeah, I mean, other than that, there's not really much to it. So other than that, I'll talk to you guys another day. I hope you guys enjoyed this market review video. It's my first one. Hopefully I'm not too awkward. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.